Let me show you how to remove your rear tailgate light of a BMW 1 Series F20 F21 LCI. First off, go ahead and open your boot. The tools that you require are a plastic trim remover and a 10mm socket with a ratchet. You want to go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal of your battery, as you are going to be disconnecting the electrics. First off, you want to go ahead and remove this plastic trim over here. It's only held by 2 clips. Unclip that, unclip that. I'm going to be using my plastic trim remover. As you can see, this car's had a incident from the back because it had a hit and the plastic is pushed more in when it should be around this area over here. And the bumper's come out obviously, so this is how yours should be looking. It should be above the bumper, not behind. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and unclip this and this. Okay, so unfortunately our clips broke because it's stuck. This is due to the accident. Now on yours it should be really simple. You just push this tab, and just grab it from here and slide it out. So as you can see, my tab's broken from here. Also, you have these insert which are broken. They normally slide into the rear tailgate light bracket or surrounding over here and here. So you push the 2 tabs, pull it out this way and slide it off. Now behind here you have a 10mm over there. Go ahead and remove that. Once you remove the 10mm over there, if you come around the side over here, now you have to have 1 clip over here which holds the tailgate light from the side. All you need to do is grab your tailgate light from here and just wiggle it. So like I said, ours is slightly damaged. As you can see, when I wiggle it, this disconnects. Yours one shouldn't. There you go. Now if I show you from this side over here, so the reason why we want to wiggle it is because of this tab over here. If I show you from this angle, the reason why you want to wiggle it is this tab over here. It should be inserted into the body of your car. Last thing you want to do is just grab it and pull it. No, grab it and gently just wiggle it. The tab will eventually come off the body, and then you can go ahead and remove your light. There you go. That's your tab, and that's where it is inserted into this grommet over here. Once you've done that, you've got your tailgate loom connector over here. All you need to do is push on the tab and pull the loom back. And then you can go ahead and remove your tailgate light. Guys, so all you need to do is remove the panel over there, 10mm there. Obviously you've got your tab over here and then your loom connector. That's all you need to do to remove your tailgate light. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you haven't already, consider to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one.